Today I'm going to replace the fuel filter on the VX220. We need a 19 and a 14mm spanner. The 19mm spanner will hold the fuel filter in place like so, and then the 14mm spanner will be the one on the fuel pipe that you're going to crack open, so you're going to turn it anti-clockwise. Now the fuel filter is located in the engine compartment. Down there you can see I've already put some cloth underneath it. So the 90mm spanner goes here, the 40mm spanner goes on this, and you crack this open, and I've already done that. The problem is I'm not going to be able to hold a camera and do this job, especially when my camera doesn't even want to focus. That doesn't help. There we go. So then you just turn that and that will undo. Right, I'll just do it with my fingers again. You're not going to be able to see. Okay, so turn it. I haven't taken it out of its holder first. First I'm just going to undo that. I'm going to loosen that one and undo that, and then hopefully be able to show you something at that point. Let me just pause this. Right, so I've taken the old one out. That was a Marley one. Let's have a look if we can see down here. Right, so this is actually a very easy job. To unclip it, what I did was I just squeezed these and I pulled it out, so it released the trigger on the clip. It's like a cable tie, and it just releases it. So and you can see I'll get my hand in there. It's very difficult with a camera as well. And then you can turn. This is the bit that you can turn by hand when you're tightening it, and then when you're loosening it, you just have to break it with the spanners. Just and it's nipped. It's not very tight at all. What else should I tell you? That's it. And then you just put the other one in the same way as you got this one out, with the fuel flow in the correct way, and it should be fine. I'm going to put that in. Okay, so I've put the new one in, as you can see. Hopefully that will, again, very difficult. So you can see the flow arrow is indicated on the fuel filter, and it goes towards, so from the left hand side of the car to the right hand side of the car. So make sure you put your fuel filter in the right way. Putting this back together was just simply holding, oh God, it's so difficult with that. You're pulling two pins in there and you cannot see them, and I don't know how to hold this and that one and pull them together. And when you want to undo it, squeeze these two in and it'll come out. All right, it's just like a cable tie. This job took me maybe 10 minutes to do. It's very easy. Don't over tighten these, right? Just nip them, maybe 1/8 of a turn after you've nipped it. Same on this one, because the seating, it seats very in an engineered seating, so it should be fine. Start your car up and just check for any leaks and see how you get on. It's very simple. I did see somebody wrote something about put the car up on jacks, undo the take the under trays covers out and do it from underneath. I did it from the top, put a bit of cloth in, very little oil, petrol came out. When I took it out, I put my finger at one end and held that end down, and then took it out, so no petrol came out of the fuel filter as I took it out. Wasn't dripping everywhere. So yeah, really simple job, one of the easier jobs that you're going to do. I'm going to start it up and see how it all goes. Right, checking it now. Looks fine to me. Can't see any leaks. Looks good. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Very happy. Hope that's been useful to you.